Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. We have talked about the Galaxy A52 5G a couple of days ago, and the official renders for the Galaxy A52 5G has been shared by Evan Bloss on his Vice account. It gives us pretty much good detail what the device is going to be looking from the front and the back side, and honestly this is going to be pretty much similar on the front side with the Galaxy A51, but on the back side we have some difference, and now we are going to see a quad camera setup on the back side with some camera bump on the back, and this is going to be a standard which we have already seen in some of the Galaxy devices which Samsung has released last year, and even the Galaxy S21 Ultra is coming with some kind of camera bump. This particular camera bump may indicate that we might see a bigger sensor in the Galaxy A52 5G. With that being said, we also saw some color information about the Galaxy A52 5G, and this information has also been shared by the industrial insider Evan Bloss. According to the leaks, we are going to see 4 different color options for the Galaxy A52 5G, and it is going to be coming in violet, blue, white and black color option. On top of that, several Galaxy A52 5G models have received their product certification for Bluetooth SIG late last week. On top of that, we also got some information about the spec sheet for the Galaxy A52 5G, courtesy to the Techie Guy, which has shared it in a certification application that was filled by Samsung last month. It gives us pretty much good detail about the look and feel of the device, and also it gives us some spec sheet regarding the screen size, battery capacity and the software which is coming inside. The most important information is obviously going to the battery capacity, because it is going to be coming with a 4500 milliamp of a battery capacity in the 5G variant of Galaxy A52 5G. Along with that, we also got the information about the screen. It is coming with a 6.46 inch of display which is going to be supported by AMOLED. Also, we are going to see a dual SIM capability inside the device, and with that being said, we also got the information about the software, and it is going to be Android 11 with One UI 3 support inside. The detail was disclosed by a couple of other regulatory agencies like the Bluetooth SIG and the Wi-Fi Alliance, along with few other connectivity related spec sheets. As we know that Samsung is going to be launching 2 different variants of Samsung Galaxy A52. One is going to be a 5G supported and the other one is going to be coming with a 4G support. We don't know about the battery spec sheet for the Galaxy A52 4G variants, but there are some leaks that we are going to be expected to see the device in the price range of $300 and $400, both the 4G and 5G variant of devices. And this is going to be the second ever device which is coming in the E series, which is going to be having a rotatable selfie camera, which is going to be absolutely amazing. The render images for that pop-up selfie camera sensor has been surfaced online courtesy to concept creator, and the idea here isn't too different from what we have saw in the Asus Zen 7 Pro. But I honestly think that every phone manufacturer don't use a motorized camera bump because it will not help out the way this technology works. So I honestly think that motorized parts are substantial to breaking down with time, and not to mention accidental dropping a smartphone with a motorized camera module could potentially damage all of its camera, rendering them unusable. That's the same company that designed the indigenous Galaxy Z Fold 2 hinges after all. And finally, the Samsung Galaxy M02 has been announced. The Samsung Galaxy M02 is built around a 6.5 inch of Infinity V display with HD plus resolution and a water drop notch for 5 megapixel selfie camera. The phone rear panel is coming with a dual camera setup, which is coming with 13 megapixel main and 2 megapixel macro shooter. It is coming with 2 and 3 gigs of RAM inside with 32 gigs of internal storage. The Galaxy M02 is going to be coming with 4 different color options. Anyhow guys, these are some of the latest information that has been coming from the Samsung world. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about the new Galaxy A52 5G which is coming? Are you excited about that particular device? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you are new here on the channel, do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.